So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Only 5G 50 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating mobile device. So dito guys, sa dial lang natin is *143 number sign or hashtag, and then call. So, ayan guys, after nyan, may mag-pop up na option. So, dito ang pipiliin natin is yung number 4, which is yung only 5G. So, type lang natin yung number 4, and then send. So, ayan guys, piliin naman natin dito is yung only 5G 50. So, type natin yung number 1, since nasa number 1 yung only 5G 50. So, pagka-type, tap natin yung send. And ayan guys, kapag nag-register tayo ng only 5G 50, makakuha tayo ng only 5G na data plus 2 GB na data para sa lahat ng sites. Valid na siya guys for 2 days for only 50 pesos. So para ma-subscribe guys or ma-register, type lang natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng only 5G 50 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night